This is New Zealand, a land at the edge of the world, where mountains scrape the sky, oceans carve the land, and ancient legends breathe through mist-covered forests. A country so isolated it sat untouched for millions of years, evolving its own world, its own species, and its own soul. A place where nature isn't just scenery, it's a force.
So buckle up, because we're about to journey through 15 remarkable facts about New Zealand.
A land as mysterious as it is magnificent. Fact 1. The youngest country on Earth. New Zealand is one of the youngest lands ever formed, not by population, but literally by birth of land. Millions of years ago, it didn't exist above the sea. Then, volcanic forces pushed it out of the ocean like a newborn world rising from the deep. When humans finally arrived, around the 1200s, the land was untouched, wild, and unknown. Think about that. When Europe was building cathedrals, New Zealand was a blank page waiting for footprints. This late discovery explains why the country still feels raw, ancient, and incredibly pure, as if nature has only recently begun her work here. Fact 2. A nation built on volcanoes. New Zealand isn't just scenic, it's sitting on a geological time bomb. Volcanoes shaped almost everything here, from the jagged peaks of Tongariro to the steaming pools of Rotorua. The land constantly whispers the story of its fiery birth. The most explosive event? The Taupo eruption, thousands of years ago, one of the largest eruptions in human history. So powerful, ancient Chinese records mentioned the sky glowing red from thousands of kilometers away. Today, hot springs bubble, geysers roar, and the earth trembles from time to time. Nature's reminder that this paradise sits on molten fire. Fact 3. Home of the Maori, guardians of the land. Before ships arrived, New Zealand had its first discoverers, the Maori, Polynesian navigators who crossed the Pacific, guided only by stars, waves, and courage. They named this land Aotearoa, the land of the long white cloud. Their traditions are not relics, they breathe through modern New Zealand. From the haka performed by the All Blacks, to tattoos, tamoko, to legends of mighty warriors and mystical creatures in forests and mountains, Maori culture is not decoration, it's identity. And here's a truth many don't mention. They protect the land fiercely. For them, land is not property. It is ancestry, spirituality, and responsibility. Fact 4. Land of birds, not beasts. Before humans arrived, New Zealand had no native mammals other than tiny bats. Instead, it became a kingdom of birds. Birds ruled the sky, the land, even the night. Some were harmless, some mythical in scale. Like the moa, a giant bird over 3 meters tall, taller than any human alive today. And hunting them? The Haast's eagle, the largest eagle ever known, with claws like tiger talons. This ecosystem was so unique, it feels like a lost chapter of evolution. Today, species like the kiwi, kea, and kakapo continue that story, though now protected, because once humans arrived, everything changed. Fact 5. The kiwi, national icon that cannot fly. Forget eagles or lions. New Zealand chose a symbol that is humble, shy, and cannot fly. The kiwi, a bird with whiskers, an egg nearly the size of its body, and feathers like fur. It looks like nature experimented without judging. The kiwi represents New Zealanders themselves, modest, grounded, and quietly determined. And yes, New Zealanders proudly call themselves Kiwis, not just because of the bird, but because it reflects something deeper: uniqueness through simplicity. Fact 6. Middle Earth is real. If you've ever watched The Lord of the Rings or The Hobbit, you've already toured New Zealand. You just didn't know it. From rolling green fields to dramatic mountains like the Southern Alps, this country became Middle Earth, the home of Tolkien's fantasy brought to life. Tourism exploded. Fans travel here just to stand where hobbits walked, where dragons were imagined, where magic felt tangible. And here's the clever part. New Zealand quietly turned filmmaking into national identity and economy, proving creativity can be a country's superpower. Fact 7. The adventure capital of the world. This place doesn't just look dramatic, it lives dramatically. Bungee jumping? Invented here. Jet boat racing? Also born here. Skydiving, glacier hiking, blackwater cave rafting? If it sounds dangerous, exciting, and slightly mad, New Zealand probably started it. It's a land that rewards bravery, where nature dares you to push your limits and discover yourself. Fact 8. The land breathes, rivers with legal rights. New Zealand did something no major country had ever done before. It gave legal personhood to a river, the Wanganui River, meaning the river has rights like a living person. It can be represented in court, protected, defended, and respected like a human being. Why? Because Maori believe nature and humans are one, not master and servant. This isn't environmental policy, it's spiritual philosophy shaping law. Fact 9. Clean, calm, and remarkably safe. New Zealand consistently ranks among the safest, cleanest, and least corrupt countries on Earth. Not perfect, nothing is, but compared to most of the world, life here feels balanced. Quiet towns, respectful people, low crime, strong environment laws. It's civilization without chaos. There's a reason many dream of living here. It's not only beautiful, it's peaceful in a world that rarely is. Fact 10. The weather has a personality. New Zealand's weather doesn't change, it mood swings. In one day, you can see sunshine, rain, wind, and mist like scenes from 4 different films. This dramatic climate is what creates the lush landscapes, but it also tests everyone who lives here. Mother Nature leads the dance. You follow. Fact 11. A nation made of 2 worlds. New Zealand isn't a single shape. It's 2 grand islands and 1,000 smaller ones, each with its own personality. The North Island, volcanic heart, Maori cultural center, geothermal power, urban pulse. Hot springs hum beneath cities, mud boils like ancient soup, and volcanic cones rise between suburbs as if nature still owns the ground. The South Island, wild, towering, untouched. Massive glaciers spill from the Southern Alps. Rivers slice through marble gorges, and rainfall feeds rainforests that look prehistoric. Together, they feel like twin souls, one shaped by fire, the other carved by ice. This split geography isn't a quirk, it's the blueprint of life here. Travel north, and you hear geothermal rumbling. Travel south, and you hear glaciers moving like slow giants of time. Fact 12. Lakes clear enough to reflect heaven. Most countries brag about beaches. New Zealand quietly sits with some of the clearest lakes on Earth. Take Blue Lake, Rotomaire-Wenhua. Its visibility reaches nearly 80 meters. That's not water, that's liquid crystal. Then there's Lake Tekapo, glowing turquoise like someone spilled gemstone dust into the water. Glacio flower, tiny minerals make it shine like fantasy. And on still mornings, these lakes don't reflect mountains, They mirror the universe. This clarity isn't just nature showing off. It's proof of isolation, untouched watersheds, and a country that treats land as sacred. Where many nations poison their lakes, New Zealand polishes them. Fact 14. Earthquakes, a violent reminder of where you stand. Beauty has a price, and New Zealand pays it. Sitting on the Pacific and Indo-Australian tectonic plates, the land breathes violently. Earthquakes here are not rare, they are routine, like a heartbeat of the planet. Christchurch knows this too well, a peaceful city reshaped by tragedy and resilience. But from ruin came innovation, stronger architecture, emergency systems, community spirit forged in steel. Nature here does not whisper. She reminds you who's in charge. And yet, people stay, because paradise always comes with risk, and sometimes danger is the cost of living somewhere extraordinary. Fact 15. A sky that belongs to the stars. When night falls, New Zealand becomes another world. Far from pollution and city glare, skies stretch into infinity. The Oraki Mackenzie Dark Sky Reserve is one of the best stargazing locations on Earth. Here, you don't look up, you fall upward into the universe. The Milky Way isn't a faint stripe, it's a glowing river of galaxies pouring across the sky. Maori star navigation revived here too, ancient methods once used to cross oceans long before compasses existed. In this land, night isn't darkness, it's illumination. And the stars don't twinkle, they announce themselves. And so, as dawn touches the peaks of the Southern Alps and light dances across waters clear as polished glass, one truth stands unshaken. New Zealand is not simply a country, it is a chapter of the earth untouched by time's greed. Where mountains roar, yet people speak softly. Where ancient stories echo louder than modern ambitions. Where the earth breathes fire below, and the stars breathe wonder above. In a world drowning in speed, chaos, and noise, this is a place that reminds us of what the world once was, and what it still can be if we choose protection over destruction. Our journey continues. There are more wonders to unveil, more histories to unearth, and more mysteries waiting in the shadows of forests and fjords. Until the next chapter, travel with curiosity, see with reverence, and remember, paradise is real, and it lies at the edge of the world.